I'm going to live.
Good evening, Bro Koko.
Hello, good evening, sister. Good evening, brothers. Good evening, all. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, hello guys. So let me start the class ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How was your day, guys? How was your day? Apa kabar gitu ya? My day is ya, atau my day was good.
My
The day is great.
very happy.
Very happy. Okay, so you're happy now ya. And your day is good. I really hope everybody. Okay, then let's continue the lesson, guys. Yeah, it's 12 meeting, everybody. Yeah, 12, and it's about past tense, guys. Yeah, what is the meaning of past, guys? What is past?
Lampau.
Lampau.
Past is lampau, yeah.
Iya.
Okay. So when we are talking about something, or when we talk about something that happened in the past, what kind of verb do we use? Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 8?
Verb 2.
Verb 2.
Verb 2. Okay. What is the verb 2 of it, guys?
Ed.
8.
8. Okay. And the verb 2 of it is 8. All right.
Eight.
What is the verb 2 of sleep?
Slept.
Slept. Slept, yeah. All right. What is the verb 2 of drink?
Drank.
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 That's it. Okay, good. So for example, guys, ya, aku makan pizza kemarin. So we say
I ate yesterday.
ya, I ate pizza yesterday. Jadi di pikiran kita langsung verb to ya. I hope karena kemarin lampau berarti bukan eat lagi tapi ate. I ate pizza yesterday. Oke. Aku tidur tepat waktu ya, semalam. Berarti
I slept on time last night.
I slept on time
yesterday.
Oke, yesterday kemarin, kalau tadi malam?
Last night.
Last night.
Oke, aku minum kopi tadi pagi. How to say it, ya?
I drank coffee.
Coffee.
I drank coffee
This morning.
this morning. Oke, last morning juga oke ya.
Last morning.
That's good ya. Jadi sekali lagi kita pakai verb.
Okay, guys, the
Okay.
time is enough.
Like that one.
I don't have, you don't have much time for doing your discussion. Just discuss yours
Oh,
in
sorry.
your home, sayang.
So I think it's sorry,
pick
she's not talking
several-
to us ya, maybe.
several
Sorry,
point of
guys
view,
ya.
based
Okay.
on the related information.
Sorry. I need to mute ya guys sometimes because I think she is not talking to us, right? Kayaknya tadi salah satu teman kita nggak lagi ngomong sama kita kan ya guys? Because it's different topic I think.
Iya,
Bro,
Halo
bro. I want ask you, bro.
Oh, oke Bro Faiman ya.
About
Even
drink. If past tense, we say
Drang, bro.
kan tulisannya drang ya.
Iya tulisannya drang, tapi bacanya dreng.
I'm
Kalau
forgetting.
yang drang itu yang pakai u bro, itu verb 3 ya, verb 3.
Oh,
Drink,
yang
drang,
kalau
drang.
ketiga pakai drang.
Nah tulisannya pakai u tapi bacanya drang. Drink, drang kan gitu ya guys.
Oke.
Is it right guys? Benar kan?
right.
Yeah, that's right. Drink, drang. That's it. Itu ya, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Today it's about past tense guys ya, because our topic is about past experience. Materi kita hari ini adalah past experience. Experience itu apa sih guys? What is experience?
Pengalaman.
Nah, pengalaman lampau ya, pengalaman di masa lampau. Berarti kita pakai verb 2. That's it. Do you know this picture means guys? What is this?
Malin kundang.
Malin kundang. Okay. That's in the past, right?
Yes.
Good. How about this one? Do you know this? What is on the picture?
Insinyur Soekarno.
Insinyur Soekarno.
Okay.
Proklamator.
Okay. And that's
That is
Declaration.
independent
Okay,
declaration.
okay. Berarti kita bilangnya declare or declared, guys?
Clear.
Ada ed-nya nggak, guys?
Ada.
Declare.
Declared. Nah,
Declared.
verb 1, verb 2?
Verb 2.
Verb 2.
Up to.
Okay, good. Yeah, even in the year, yeah. Yeah, so you can imagine ya, jangankan pada tahun itu ya, 1 detik yang lalu aja kita pakai verb 2 ya guys.
Yes.
Verb 2, like apalagi tahun segitu, so long time ago. Okay, we are going to talk about the pattern, but it's later ya. Kita nanti akan ngobrol tentang pola kalimat sebelum kita praktek, tapi harus ada kosakata yang masuk dulu ke kita ya. So let's find the meaning and let's read together everybody. Would you please repeat after me guys ya. Ini beberapa kosakata kita hari ini, yaitu yang pertama ada holiday. Jadi guys, holiday.
Holiday.
It's not holy but holiday. Holiday. Jadi,
Holiday.
nah itu. It's not for
Holiday.
holiday. Nah, holiday ya. Oke.
Holiday.
Bro, kalau dibaca
Holiday.
holiday boleh nggak sih? Boleh aja guys ya, tidak merubah arti. Tapi kalau lebih smooth, kita bilang holiday.
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 Holiday is
Liburan.
ya, hari liburan, gitu ya. Holiday. Nanti nggak ada yang baca die ya guys, soalnya kalau die sudah maknanya beda nanti ya. Die. Oke, day bacanya ya. Holiday.
Holiday.
Next one, weekend.
Weekend.
Weekend is
Weekend.
Weekend.
Akhir.
Akhir pekan.
Sabtu Minggu ya, weekend. Berarti kalau Senin sampai Jumat hari kerja disebut
Weekday.
weekdays ya, atau weekend.
Weekdays. Yes.
That's good. And then the next one guys, tourist attraction.
Tourist
Attraction.
Attraction.
Tourist attraction.
Attraction.
Mhm. Okay, no tourist, but you can speak tourist ya. Jadi O-nya nggak usah dibaca. Tourist attraction. Repeat after me guys. Tourist attraction.
Tourist
attraction.
Jadi bukan turis ya, tapi tourist.
Tourist
Tourist.
attraction.
The meaning is tempat.
wisata.
Good. And then the next one, adventure.
Adventure.
Adventure. Nah, tulisan tour ya, itu tour itu bacanya chur ya guys. Chur.
Adventure.
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 Adventure artinya petualangan. Oh ya, bacanya chur ya. Contoh kayak gambar. Gambar itu
Picture.
masa depan itu future. Nah, itu ya.
Future.
Oke. And the other one, dan yang lain-lain. Jadi chur bacanya. Kemudian yang selanjutnya journey. Journey itu perjalanan tapi panjang ya guys. Journey itu perjalanan panjang. Kalau kayak perjalanan hidup,
ya, bro.
berarti bisa nggak pakai life journey?
Bisa, Bu.
ya?
Bu.
Bisa, soalnya kan panjang kan perjalanan
Life journey.
life journey.
Life
This is-
journey.
This is my life journey. Ini adalah perjalanan hidup.
Jalanan hidupku.
Oke ya. The next one, it's boleh past, boleh past ya, sama aja. Kalau past British, past American. Coba guys, past.
Pas.
Nah,
Past.
past is
Masa
lalu. Oke, makanya kenapa pola kalimat masa lampau disebut past tense ya. That's it. Jadi ya memang diambil dari kata itu ya, past itu lampau lalu. The next guys, future.
Future.
Future is
Masa depan.
masa depan.
Nah,
Makanya pola kalimat untuk kejadian di masa yang akan datang namanya future tense.
Alvin pun nggak enak masuk berarti.
The next ada present. Can you guys?
Present.
Artinya
Masa sekarang.
masa sekarang. Ya, masa saat-saat ini ya. Makanya pola kalimat untuk saat-saat ini namanya apa guys? Present.
Present.
That's it. Good. The next, memory.
Memory.
Memory is
Memory.
Memory atau apa ya?
Kenangan.
Kenangan ya, itu dia ya, memory. Good. Kita ke sebelah kanan ya, ada go through something.
Go through something.
Oke, go through something.
Go through something.
Artinya melewati
Go through something.
sesuatu ya. Go through something. Jadi melewati sesuatu. Berarti ada something ya, kita sesuaikan nanti ya. Misalnya go through tunnel ya, melewati terowongan ya, atau go through your way ya, melewati jalanmu.
Shopping kau ya.
Okay, the next one, the last. Can you guys?
The last.
Yang
pertama the
terakhir.
first.
yang terakhir ya.
Last.
The next one,
The beginning.
Beginning.
The beginning.
the
The
beginning.
beginning.
The
Beginning.
Yeah, the beginning. The beginning is
Awalan.
Awalan.
Yeah, the beginning. The next one,
Bro.
in
Brush.
Rush.
In brush.
And rush.
In brush is
Buru-buru.
Buru-buru.
boleh kita pakai kata lain, in hurry ya. In hurry.
Sorry.
In hurry. Nah, itu juga buru-buru ya. In hurry. Oke, kalau ayo cepet itu bilangnya gimana guys?
Hurry up.
Hurry
Hurry
up.
up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Ya. Okay. And then the next one is loose. Can you guys?
Loose.
Loose is
Loose.
hilang.
Loose. Hilang.
Selain hilang bisa diartikan apa guys? Loose?
Kalah.
Loose itu kalah.
Loose.
Nah itu ya. Jadi sekali lagi tergantung kalimatnya ya. So, misalnya you make me sorry no you I lose my money for example. Berarti
Saya kehilangan uang.
aku kehilangan uangku. That's it. Okay. Or maybe you lose. Jadi kamu you lose kalau gitu aja. You lose in your fight.
Kalah.
Kamu kalah dalam pertarunganmu, gitu ya. Kayak nggak mungkin kalau kamu hilang dalam pertarungan nih. Gimana nih? Hilang, jadi pas bertarung hilang ya. Tidak ya, jadi ya tergantung konteks kalimat. Oke, dan yang terakhir guys ada daily. Jadi guys,
Daily.
What is daily?
Sehari.
Sehari-hari.
Daily sehari-hari. Oke. Kalau daily kan sehari-hari. Kalau setiap minggu apa guys?
Weekly.
Mingguan.
Weekly.
Weekly.
Kalau bulanan?
Monthly.
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 Oke.
Oke.
Any question guys? Mungkin ada pertanyaan untuk kosakata ini ya sebelum kita ke pola kalimat before we are going to the pattern of the sentences or the sentence.
Daily sehari-hari.
So far so good.
So far, so good.
So far so
So far so
good.
good.
Not so
Okay.
bad.
So far so bad. Are you sure?
No bad.
Ask bro, ask ya. Silakan ditanyakan teman-teman ya. Before we go to the next, it's okay guys ya. Asking doesn't mean that we are weak ya, but we are strong guys ya, because we want to know about something.
Bro, kalau
Ya,
nyuruh anak turun dari mobil atau turun dari motor tuh apa ya?
nyuruh
Run
anak.
from the car.
Maksudnya kayak kita mau nyuruh dia turun dari mobil atau turun dari motor gitu.
Get
Apa ya?
down ya bro. Get down.
Get
down
down
to the
ya,
car.
get down ya. Kalau masuk kan
down.
get in, get on gitu kan? Ya get
Get down.
down everybody ya.
Get down.
Get down.
Get down.
So, kalau get out itu lebih ke apa ya? Kayak
Marah.
ya mengusir gitu get out ya. Nah, kalau ya menyuruh turun ya you can get down ya. Get down itu turun ya.
Oke. Thank you, bro.
Oke,
How about put down?
put down.
Kalau betul
Ambil.
No. Kalau ambil take ya.
Jatuhkan ya bro.
Ya, kalau put down
Menaruh. Put down.
Put down lebih menaruh ya teman-teman.
Menaruh.
Ya.
Put down.
Iya.
Naruh.
Put down itu lebih menaruh. Maybe a things or stuffs ya, lebih ke benda like that. To put down. Put it down. Like that. We can get down here. That's it. That's okay. Okay, sister.
Oke.
Alright. Okay, guys. Yeah. So I think in the last level, guys, on a first level, in a basic one, you have learned about past tense, right? Sudah belajar tentang past tense ya?
Yeah.
Nah, jadi di sini kita tekankan lagi dengan lebih banyak prakteknya, guys. Anyway, guys, do you remember this? When we tell history or past experience, we have to use this formula. Masih ingat ya bola ini, teman-teman?
Yes, I still remember.
Okay. Subject, verb to,
To
object.
an object.
Good. Kalau ada verb-nya di kalimat itu namanya verbal sentence apa nominal sentence? Kan ada kalimat verbal, ada kalimat
Yes,
nominal ya. Kalau yang ada verb-nya seperti ini disebut verbal. Ya. Verbal sentence. Subject, verb to, object. Kalau yang bawah, subject was were Anna, itu namanya
Nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence. Nominal sentence itu adalah kalimat nominal ya, atau kalimat yang tanpa kata kerja di dalamnya. Nah, kalau yang verbal yang ada kata kerjanya. Ada yang bisa ngasih contoh, guys? Mungkin boleh teman-teman, kalimat apapun itu intinya ada verb-nya dan itu masa lampau, guys. Can you?
I read book.
Sorry, bro. I
read book.
Okay, write or read, bro?
Read.
Oh,
Read.
maksudnya baca buku, bro?
Membaca
Read.
buku.
Oke, read itu verb 1, tapi verb 2-nya bacanya read ya.
Read.
Read.
Nah,
Read book.
I tulisannya tetap sama ya, read gitu, read ya,
Read
tapi bacanya
book.
read. I read book.
Kayak merah.
Iya, kayak merah ya. I read book. Misalnya minggu lalu, berarti gimana, guys? Last
Last
week.
week.
Last week.
Last week.
I read book last week.
Last
This one. Okay.
I saw
I
your
went to
mother
the
last
work.
night.
Okay. All right.
I
Yeah.
saw your mother last night.
All right. I saw.
Your mother last night.
Okay. Your mother, your mom last
Last
night. Okay.
I visit.
Karena lampau berarti I
I visited. I visited.
visited.
Pakai visited kok. I
Yeah,
visited.
I visited.
Our grandmother last week.
Okay, our grandma atau grandmother last
week.
Okay.
Bacanya bukan visit tapi visited.
Visited ya,
Visited.
visited. Oke. Pokoknya kalau akhirannya ed guys dan sebelumnya itu
Your mom.
Play.
sorry.
saw your mom or your mom.
Oh, sorry, typo. I saw your mom ya. Sorry,
Your
itu
mom.
posesif ya tadi ya, sorry. Oke, I visited ya bacanya, sebelum ed kan huruf T kan.
Yeah.
Visit.
Kalau sebelum ed itu huruf T atau D bacanya biasa ya, visited gitu.
Visited. Berarti kok kalau misalnya yang regular berarti kan kalau buat past tense kan akhirannya ed. Berarti kita baca ed-nya berarti.
No. Yang akhirannya ed tapi sebelumnya huruf T atau D, jadi dibaca biasa. Mas, coba saya kasih catatan ya. Jika verb to berakhiran ed guys atau ed ya, dan sebelumnya adalah sorry ya guys, saya suka typo nih. Sebelumnya adalah huruf T atau D, maka dibaca biasa. Maksudnya dibaca biasa itu ya jelas ya, visited gitu. Oke, contoh ya, tadi ada visit karena akhirannya huruf T guys. Jadinya gimana tadi? Visited. Nah,
Visited.
contoh lain kalau akhirannya D, contohnya ada at. Nah, akhirnya kan D kan, berarti add, did.
Edit.
Gitu. Selain itu guys, dibacanya jadi satu. Contohnya, ya kayak mungkin kayak mengganggu, itu berarti annoyed. Bukan annoyed ya, tapi annoyed. Karena akhirannya kan Y gitu, bukan T atau D.
Play.
Understand guys? Bisa dipahami ya?
Ya, insyaallah.
Kayak gitu ya. Dan ini tadi ada 3 contoh dari teman kita. I read book last week. Read itu verb 2-nya read. Jadi bacanya read ya teman-teman. Kebetulan untuk kata read atau membaca itu verb 1, verb 2, verb 3-nya sama ya tulisannya.
Sama.
Sama. Tapi bacanya read, read, read gitu.
Read,
Read,
read, read, read.
Nah, verb 1-nya read, verb 2, verb 3 read. Oke, kalau yang ini I saw. Nah, ini verb 1-nya apa guys? Verb 1-nya?
See,
See.
so,
See.
see,
So,
See, saw, verb 3-nya seen ya. Saw, seen.
so sin.
Kalau yang ini visited, verb 1-nya apa guys?
visit,
Visit ya.
Visit.
Verb 2-nya visited. Jadi di pikiran kita langsung pakai verb 2 ya guys. Jadi ya kita harus hafalan verb 2. Like that. Itu namanya verbal sentence, kalimat yang ada kata kerjanya. Clear enough? Jelas ya untuk verbal?
Wrong.
Where,
Rena.
where,
Oke. Let's go to the nominal ya guys. Sekarang kita ke nominal sentence, yaitu kalimat tanpa kata kerja. Kalau nggak ada kata kerja, kita pakai subject plus was or were plus ana ya. Sebelum kita ke ana, subject was or were. Was atau were itu to be ya guys, kata
ya, to
bantu.
be.
Subjek apa saja yang pakai was guys?
I,
I.
she, he,
I,
it,
he,
she,
Nah, I, she, he,
it,
it. Nah, itu pakai was. I, she, he, it. I was, she was, he was, it was.
yes.
Kalau yang pakai were, subjek?
They,
You,
we,
They
you,
were.
you, they, we.
Andi, and Romi, maybe.
we, they.
Nah, you, they, we, you, we, they. It's okay. Itu pakai were. You were, they were, we were.
You were. They were.
Kemudian di sini nggak ada kata kerja sama sekali, berarti kita pakai ana ya. Ana itu apa guys? Adjective.
Adjective, noun, and adverb.
Adjective, noun, adverb.
Very good. Ana itu singkatan ya. Di buku manapun teman-teman kalau belajar tenses pasti ketemu sama ana ya. Ana itu singkatan dari adjective. Adjective
Noun.
artinya apa guys?
Kata sifat.
Noun,
Kata sifat.
benda,
N-nya adalah noun. Noun is
Kata
benda,
benda.
benda. A yang terakhir adalah
Adverb.
Kata keterangan.
Keterangan.
Nah, adverb itu kata keterangan. Kadang-kadang ada yang masih kebalik ya, kayak adverb itu kata kerja bro, bukan ya. Kalau kata kerja bukan adverb ya guys, tapi
Verb.
verb
keterangan.
ya. Kalau adverb itu kata keterangan. Oke, ada yang bisa ngasih contoh guys? Coba kalimat lampau tapi nggak ada kata kerjanya gitu. Apa ya? Please.
she,
I was here.
He was here, oke. Atau I was here, oke. Mungkin kita pakai kata she, it's okay ya. She was here.
I was born.
I was born, tapi kalau I was born lebih ke kalimat pasif ya. Jadi aku dulu dilahirkan gitu. Atau kita pakai kalimat kan born itu verb 3 ya dari
Iya.
oke, I was
From.
born.
Born.
But, oh,
Ya,
Born.
dari kata birth kan, born. She was here. She subjeknya ya, pasangannya was, she was.
Here
Here itu kata apa guys ya?
last night.
Oke, I
I
ask you
was
guys. She
remember.
was here. Here itu kata apa guys? Adjective, noun, adverb. Adverb ya.
Adverb.
Kata keterangan tempat kan? Here. Ini di sini nggak ada kata kerja sama sekali. Ini sudah benar ya. She was here. Ada yang lain teman-teman? Kalimat lain?
I was tired, I was tired.
I was tired.
Perlu keterangan waktu juga, kok.
Keterangan waktu kita kasih kalau kita perlu ya guys.
I was
Berarti kalau I was tired, true.
True, it's true. Itu benar
I
ya.
was tired yesterday.
Boleh. Dikasih yesterday oke, tanpa juga nggak apa-apa. Karena tanpa keterangan waktu, apakah ini terlihat lampau guys di kalimat ini?
Yes.
Yeah.
Di kata apa guys?
Because you see word.
Was.
Was-nya itu ya. Jadi tanpa keterangan waktu tetap kelihatan lampau itu. Tapi kalau mau detail ya dikasih keterangan.
Kalau I was remember.
Nggak boleh.
Nggak
Remember
boleh.
itu kata kerja ya.
Remember
Bisa.
kata kerja.
Nah, jadi I
verbal.
remember.
was a college
remember.
No
Nah,
need
I
to
was a
be.
college
Happy
student.
yesterday.
I was happy.
I was happy, okay. I was a college student. Aku dulu
I was sad. Sad kata kerja enggak ya?
mahasiswa. Boleh? I was
Matikan dek kalau udah.
I was student.
I was student, okay. I was a student gitu.
Betul lah.
Aku dulu siswa, gitu ya.
Pagi.
Clear enough, guys?
Clean up.
Yes.
Clear, bro.
Kuncinya gini, guys ya. Kalau kita pakai kata kerja, berarti langsung subject, verb gitu.
Verb to.
Tapi verbnya verb to ya. Tapi kalau bukan kata kerja, misalnya kayak happy, happy itu bukan kata kerja tuh, berarti nggak bisa pakai subject verb gitu, itu nggak boleh. Berarti gimana guys?
I was happy.
They were arrived last night.
Yesterday.
So, sorry, there is thunder ya in my place. Oke, berarti kalau nggak ada kata kerja, kita pakai was atau were. Ya, misalnya aku bahagia, tapi dulu berarti I
was
I was
happy.
happy.
Mereka telat. Berarti
Was happy.
kamu telat. You were late. You were late. Apa?
kamu telat tapi lampau gitu ya, sister.
Iya.
Nah, you were late gitu.
You were late.
You were
Well,
That's it. Okay? Clear enough, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you kok.
Okay. Alright, okay. Oke, ada yang chat nih teman kita, bro. Assalamualaikum, waalaikumsalam. Sorry, okay, it's okay, sister ya. It's okay. Sis Nana juga ya. I'm hanging out. Okay, sister, it's fine. I can understand. It's okay ya. Pokoknya teman-teman, bagi teman-teman yang nggak bisa ikut kelas ataupun masih menyimak karena sesuatu, saya pengen teman-teman tetap menonton video rekaman, mengulangi ya. Jadi tetap dapat poinnya. That's it. Okay, ready guys for practicing? Sudah siap ya untuk praktek hari ini?
Ready, bro.
Let's go. Please, for today guys ya, we have two kinds of practicing ya. Dua praktek untuk hari ini teman-teman. Praktek yang pertama adalah dengan 5 pertanyaan ini ya. Yang pertama adalah what did you do for last weekend? Atau what did
you do
What did you do
for last week?
for last
weekend.
Apa yang kamu lakukan
minggu kemarin?
Minggu kemarin.
di akhir pekan lalu?
Akhir pekan lalu.
Oh,
Yes.
Ngapain guys, teman-teman di akhir pekan lalu tuh ngapain aja sih?
Oke.
Mancing.
Memancing.
watching concert.
Watching.
Watch.
Boleh nggak diingkan? Nggak bisa berarti.
Watch.
I
Watch
watch.
movie.
Ya,
watch
watch
concert.
movie, watch concert. Nah,
Kalau pergi ngantar anak lomba,
pergi mengantar anak lomba. Oke, berarti mengantar itu apa guys?
When?
When itu
Deliver.
pergi. Deliver itu
Deliver.
lebih ke barang ya.
Company?
Mhm. Accompany menemani. Boleh
Accompany
pakai accompany
menemani.
tapi jadi
dia
accompany.
pergi ngantar anak.
Ya, kalau mengantar itu kan pakai istilah drop
Oh ya,
drop off.
drop off.
Nah, drop off ya. Tapi
Drop.
karena lampau jadi
Mengantar.
drop my child off it.
Drop.
I drop
I
my
drop
child
my
off
child off.
for a competition.
Yes. Drop
Nah,
my child.
Oke. Atau mungkin teman-teman apa ya? Mungkin pergi belanja berarti I went
Shopping.
I went
I went
shopping.
shopping.
Loh bro, kok ada ing-nya kenapa? Nggak apa-apa, ini namanya kata benda gerund. Lah verb 2-nya di mana? Ya ini when-nya.
When.
Tuh, teman-teman ngapain gitu ya? Silakan nanti dikasih tahu dipraktekkan. Gini.
Terus kalau mengantar ke sekolah,
Ya sama sister, tetap drop off.
Drop
Menurut-
my
Ya,
child.
tergantung mengantar ke sekolah, mengantar ke mall, atau
Or
sama
school.
aja.
Gimana bacanya tadi, Ko?
Drop
I drop my child
Nah,
Drop my
kalau mengantar
child
anak
school.
ya,
Drop
my child
my child off for a
for a competition.
competition.
Setidaknya ada 3 aktivitas ya teman-teman yang teman-teman
Ya.
lakukan di akhir pekan kemarin, jadi dikasih tahu. Oke, and then the next one, what stuff did you last buy? Apa tuh artinya guys? Barang apa?
Barang apa yang terakhir kamu beli?
Terakhir kamu beli.
Yang terakhir
Terakhir kamu beli.
Nah, karena lampau, buy itu verb to-nya adalah
Bought.
bought. I bought.
I bought.
I bought.
Nah, misalnya teman-teman beli apa ya? Mungkin
Noodle.
buku gitu, about book. Gitu. Dan boleh dikasih alasannya ya, because I like reading, because I like blah, blah, blah. Atau mungkin tadi pagi ada yang baru beli sayuran ya, I bought vegetable for my husband maybe. So you can say guys, for my child. Yeah, it's okay. And then what did you do before the class starts guys ya? Apa yang kamu lakukan
sebelum kelas mulai?
Nah, jadi oke, kita ngomongin tadi ya guys. Jadi tadi tuh sebelum kelas mulai teman-teman ngapain nih?
Membaca materi
I
yang
ate
lampau.
dinner.
Membaca, berarti membaca bukan read, tapi apa guys?
Read.
Oke, ada yang makan
on
malam?
the way.
I
Kalau
ate
on the way.
dinner.
No.
On the
Kalau
way.
on the way kan bukan aktivitas ya.
Bukan.
Maksudnya di sini apa yang kamu lakukan gitu.
Membantu
Jadi kalau
anak
di-
mengerjakan.
I ate dinner.
I ate. Nah, verb 2 ate.
Had dinner.
I had dinner ya.
I help my
I helped. Helped tulisannya ya. Helped. I helped.
Bro Coco, I'm sorry, I'm new to joining.
Sorry sister.
Yeah, sorry, I'm new to joining.
Oh ya, oke sister. I can relate this one. Oke
Thank
ya.
you.
Jadi apa sih yang teman-teman lakukan tadi sebelum kelas mulai? And then what did you watch for the last time? Mungkin saya
Bro.
spesifikkan ya. What
Mau
movie
nanya, bro.
gitu ya? What movie did you watch for the last time? Film apa yang kamu tonton terakhir?
Rangga dan Cinta.
Nah, oke, boleh. Nanti bacanya karena ada ed di sini, jadi ditekan ya. I watch. Gimana guys? I watch.
Watch movie.
Misalnya I watch Jumbo. I watch. Gitu ya.
I watch Korean film.
Alright. Boleh dikasih alasannya juga lebih oke ya. Because
This one interesting.
in
Dracin. Nonton Dracin.
Oh boleh. Itu Chinese drama ya. The last one, what snack did you eat for the last? Snack apa yang kamu makan?
Terakhir.
Nah, pas itu ya terakhir kali.
makan terakhir?
Ya, yang terakhir kali kamu makan. I ate, bacanya karena lampau ya I ate gitu ya guys. Oke guys, understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Oke.
Sekarang understand, besok lupa.
Jangan sampai ya.
Sampai
Oke, atau for this one atau mungkin ini aja dulu ya, kita tekankan di sini dulu deh. Soalnya tadi kan saya ada plan itu ada 2 praktek, tapi kayaknya mungkin teman-teman ditekankan di sini, tapi nanti dikasih because ya. Jadi di kalimat ini dikasih because karena gitu. Oke. Jadi 5 pertanyaan ini boleh teman-teman gunakan.
Yang 5 aja lah dulu kok.
Sorry, sis?
Only 5 question aja dulu kok.
Only 5 ya, 5 dulu aja. Tapi kita kerjasama ya guys, teman-teman. Diusahakan speak in English ya, pakai bahasa Inggris, oke?
Yes, bro.
Okay, I just open the door, but you need to walk in ya, everybody. Let's go. I need to divide you into some rooms, guys. Ya. Oh, wait. Ada pertanyaan. Kalau yang dilakukan sebelum kelas itu hobi, pakai verb 2. Pakai verb 2 ya. Jangankan tadi sebelum kelas, 1 detik yang lalu pakai verb 2.
Yes.
Drive mengantar juga nggak sih, bro? Drive itu menyetir, membawa. Bisa juga mengantar, bro. I drive her children to school. Boleh. Bisa juga. Membawa. Bisa ya, mengantar itu bisa drive. Bisa take, bisa bring ya. Oke. Are you ready, guys? 20
Ready, bro.
20 minutes ya, 20 menitan aja ya, teman-teman.
Oke, bro.
Okay,
Thank
let's
you,
go.
bro.
Have a nice practicing. Good luck to all of you. Come on, guys. Click joining. Wait, guys ya. Sebentar. Saya buat satu room ada. Okay, 3 or 4 ya. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's go and good luck to all of us. Yeah. See you guys.
Good, just. Yeah.
Hello guys. Hello.
Hello, bro.
Hai,
Okay.
bro.
Alright, have you finished the 5 questions or still
Yes,
running?
Yes,
finish.
finish.
You have
Finish?
finished, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Did you enjoy, guys, the breakout room today?
Yes,
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 enjoy.
enjoy.
That's
Not
good.
really.
Okay, and of course, guys, yeah, I make the random participants, yeah, for every single breakout room that we have because maybe we can avoid the boredom, yeah. Sometimes we meet the same people, so I think, yeah, we need to change and we need to get the new friends as well. Okay, thank you guys. I went to some rooms ya. Saya tadi ke beberapa room. Mungkin yang ada saya boleh teman-teman. Can you speak up guys?
Ya,
Ada
saya.
yang
Yes, I.
Yes.
Okay. And
I know.
alright. You
Like
don't have to be
position.
nervous ya guys. Kalau ada saya, teman-teman nggak perlu nervous ya. It's okay. Saya cuman diem aja di situ ya.
Yeah, yes.
Nanti
Actually
tiba-tiba
happy,
saya
bro.
hilang.
Kalau ada kalau ada Bro Koko,
Because you silent, we are nervous, bro.
Saya soalnya bingung nih mau ketuk yang sebelah mananya nih.
kalau ada Bro Koko join langsung tremor.
That's right.
Like a
Langsung.
supervisor.
The mayoritas. Oh ada Bro Koko nih langsung.
Diam. Saya langsung diam tadi.
Alright, okay.
Ada Bro
Just
Koko
enjoy.
The tutor is here.
Just enjoy guys.
Mana
ya.
lagi curhat?
Okay. Alright, just enjoy ya guys. So we are
Enjoy
same.
sih.
Kita sama aja ya. Saya pun juga sedang belajar. So we are same everybody. Okay? But ya, baby, I note ya, ketika saya masuk ke room teman-teman, ada yang perlu saya catat, pasti saya catat dan saya sampaikan di sini. Oke, ini ya beberapa catatan untuk koreksian hari ini teman-teman. Sekali lagi, kalau beli tapi lampau bukan I buy ya, tapi I bought. I bought. G-nya nggak usah dibaca guys. I bought. I bought. Nah itu membeli ya, tapi lampau. Kemudian tadi ada yang bilang hari gajian itu PD ya, PD.
Payday atau payday?
Payday. Sopi.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow is PD ya.
Gajian.
Oke.
Bro Koko.
Nah, ini guys ya, untuk teach, tadi ada teman kita yang ternyata mengajar ya di weekend kemarin. Jadi teach itu verb 1, tapi taught ya, verb 2-nya itu taught. I taught my students.
Touch.
Seperti biasa, GH-nya nggak usah dibaca kalau ada GHT ya. Nah, jadi I thought. Nah, that's itu verb 2 ya.
How it work?
Bro, kalau sudah berlalu tapi masih berlangsung?
Nah, itu beda. Itu namanya present perfect continuous bro, itu namanya ya.
Present perfect continuous tense.
Sudah berlalu, sudah dimulai di masa lampau tapi masih berlangsung, namanya present perfect continuous. Nanti polanya subject terus have been atau has been terus verb ing.
Oh, has been. Oke.
Tapi
Halo.
itu tuh belum di level ini ya, tapi nanti ada guys, di level lanjutan kayaknya ada.
Bro,
Oke.
verb to for work.
Work, nah itu tinggal tambahkan ed aja ya. Jadi
Work
work.
it.
Work.
Work.
Oh.
Oke. Karena ini akhirannya k, jadi bukan work it ya, tapi work. Work. Bukan, ya. Tuh, ya. Yang dibaca biasa tadi sebelum ed huruf apa guys? T atau D ya? T atau D.
T atau D. T or D.
Karena ini akhirannya K ya sudah berarti
K.
ditekan ya, work.
Work.
Kemudian tadi ada teman kita yang bilang melepuh ya. Tadi sorry, saya tadi jawabnya melting. No. Saya di bayangan saya tadi melt itu apa? Apa
Like
melt?
chocolate.
Metal.
Like chocolate.
Apa ya bahasa Indonesia dari melt guys? Melt is
Meleleh. Melting.
meleleh. Saya tadi
Melted.
jawab melt ya, karena di bayangan saya melt melepuh. Oh, meleleh. Oh my goodness. Ketika saya pindah room, bukan ya, blister everybody. Blister itu
Blister.
Apa bro? Meleleh, melepuh.
Karena mirip ya, tadi bayangan saya melepuh itu meleleh. sorry Fatawan. And then keturunan tadi ada ya teman kita yang pakai keturunan apa bro? Descendant ya guys.
Descendant.
Itu cerita anak saya lagi.
Descendant. Oh ya, tadi di roomnya sister ya.
Descendant of the sun.
Descendant, alright.
Rapor
Dan
dong.
nah ini nih yang
Yes.
mayoritas tadi saya temukan ya guys. Teman-teman di sini kita nggak pakai I am ya.
I went.
I went. Nah, tadi ada beberapa yang masih I am work. Work-nya sudah benar. I am went. When-nya sudah benar nih, tapi M-nya masih ngikut ya. Nah, jadi sesuaikan dengan polanya. Subjek langsung verb to. Apakah ada M di sini, guys?
No. Nothing.
Nothing. Jadi gitu ya, I went. Clear guys ya?
Clear. Yes, clear, bro.
Step by step ya.
Yes.
Bro Koko,
Yes.
I want ask you Bro Koko.
Go bro, go ahead.
Ini maksudnya kalau ini gimana betul nih bahasanya? I never have payday.
I never
Confident.
Have
Confident.
payday.
I never have payday.
Nangis
Oke.
lah.
Ingat benar tuh.
Bisa bro. Boleh. Iya benar itu kalimatnya ya bro. Oke.
I never payday.
Soalnya saya nggak pernah dapat hari gajian bro.
Oke. Bro Paiman yang menggaji mungkin?
Yes, every day is payday.
Is the
most.
Gitu.
Payday is payday.
Every day is payday.
Every day is payday. Oke.
Yande.
Yes, every day is payday.
Amin ya Allah.
So you happy when every day is payday?
Of course.
I'm happy.
My payday is
Every day is payday.
Oke. Alright. Kalimat Bro Paiman tadi kan I never have payday gitu ya bro.
It's true bro.
True bro. Kalimatnya benar bro. Tapi kondisinya kayaknya kurang benar bro kalau gitu ya.
Jadi benar kan gitu.
Soalnya kondisinya harusnya ada payday sih bro.
Set.
Every day I have payday.
Tapi saya yakin Bro Paiman yang membuat payday itu ya, yang ngasih gaji mungkin.
I think so bro. I think so.
Oh, you think so? Alright. Okay. Thank you bro ya. That's payday atau payday itu ya mungkin Bro Paiman D ya.
Paiman.
Thank you so much guys. Thank you for today.
Bro Koko, you have a question. What difference of desk and table?
Desk and table. Desk itu meja tulis. Kalau table itu ya meja secara general. Jadi kalau kita kayak di kelas itu namanya kan untuk menulis kan, itu namanya bukan table ya, tapi namanya adalah desk. Nah,
Yes.
Oke.
tapi kalau table itu ya meja secara general ya, entah di atasnya taruh kopi, taruh buku, bebas. Nah, itu table. Gitu ya, Sista?
Oke, bro.
Saya spill sedikit, besok materi kita adalah tentang household chores.
Iya, aku balik pora. Belum tahu
House tour.
No, household chores. Nah, saya tulis mungkin di sini ya. Wait. I need to put here, guys. This one. Ini materi kita besok. Household chores. Oke, chores. Tetap pakai C ya bacanya. Chores. Household itu rumah tangga, chores itu pekerjaan. Jadi pekerjaan rumah tangga.
Chores.
Chores,
bro.
bro. Household chores.
Jadi hold-nya nggak dibaca ya, house chores.
Oke, household chores tetap dibaca, bro.
Oh, bisa dibaca household chores.
Atau gampangnya teman-teman langsung aja chores gitu juga nggak apa-apa, guys. Chores pekerjaan rumah tangga. Besok kita akan pelajari sama-sama teman-teman, dan sekali lagi ya step by step, sedikit-sedikit, but you enjoy the process.
Yes,
Thank you all.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Get me wrong ya, everybody.
Thank you so much everybody.
See you tomorrow.
A bit everybody ya, sebelum saya tutup kelas sedikit aja. Don't get me wrong, kalau misalnya kayak, bro kok agak buru-buru nih kalau nutup kelas ya, bukan apa-apa ya guys. Saya soalnya udah di berondong chat pasti di jam segini like that one ya. Jadi teman-teman saya alihkan ke WA ya. Bagi yang ada pertanyaan silahkan nanti kontak seperti biasa ya. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Good night.
wabarakatuh. Good night. See you all.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Halo, bro. Bro siapa tadi lupa, bro? Halo, bro. Nice meet you tonight.